My name is Pedro, and I am a Christian. And here's what I believe to be the truth. I believe that God is the creator of everything, the universe, the heavens, and the earth, and everything that is in it. And I believe that He is the Father. I believe that Jesus Christ is His Son. I believe that He lived a perfect life while He was on earth. That He was tempted, yes, but He never sinned. I believe that He died on the cross to forgive me from my sins. And I believe that after He died, He resurrected. He went to heaven. He is alive with the Father, and He is coming back soon. And that is why I am a Christian. I want to challenge you, if you're a Christian, to be a Romans 1:16 type of Christian. In this environment that we have, internet and social media and all of that, I want to challenge you to be a Romans 1:16 type of Christian. That challenge is for every Christian out there. I want to challenge you to record a short video with your convictions and use that video as a proclamation on your YouTube and Facebook and all of that you have. Specifically, today I want to challenge 3 people to do that. I want to challenge, first of all, my friend TJ Tautua. He's a great musician. I want to challenge you to do that. Second, I want to challenge my friend down under in Australia, Dan Paikia. And thirdly, I want to challenge my friend Tiago Diniz back in Brazil. 3 people, 3 nations, 3 people surrounded by amazing people of God and also people in the world. So if you accept the challenge, you should do it in 48 hours. And if you don't do the challenge, here's what's going to happen. Nothing's going to happen. There is no consequence, and you won't have to donate money to anyone. That's not what I'm looking for. But I would encourage you to go ahead and read a passage of the Bible in the Gospel of Matthew, chapter 10, particularly verse 32 and 33. I'll leave you with that. God bless you.